What if one machine could handle every mess in your home, from mopping and vacuuming hard floors to deep cleaning carpets, and then take care of maintaining itself? In this video, I'll be partnering with Dreame to take a look at the new Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex with next level features like the dual brush system, mist lock dust control, and Tangle Cut 2.0. This is a game changer for multi-surface cleaning. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's get this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top, we've got our user manual. Came with some accessories, little cleaning brush here, some cleaning solution, and an extra filter. This is the base station, which delivers hot water cleaning and hot air drying. Here is the handle with our self-cleaning button, power button, and the mode swap button. All right, and here is the H15 Pro CarpetFlex. The first thing that really stands out here is definitely the dual brush system. This is the heart of what makes the CarpetFlex so flexible. It ships with two distinct brushes, one optimized for hard floors for wet and dry cleaning, and one is dedicated to carpets for dry vacuuming. On tile, hardwood, vinyl, or stone, you attach the hard floor brush. In one pass, it vacuums, mops, and scrubs moderate spills, and then rinses the roller continuously. This had no issues cleaning up pretty much any mess that I could throw at it on my hard floors, including an entire raw egg. And one thing that I love about this is that usually you would need to clean up the majority of the mess with a paper towel before mopping, but with this, you just mop everything up in one go. When you get ready to move to the rugs or carpeted areas, you click in the carpet brush and suddenly the machine flips into carpet mode. No water, just high suction and a fiber agitation to lift debris. The carpet brush is able to clean deep into the carpet fibers, removing dust and particles in the first pass. The vacuum is also able to detect which brush is installed and adjust suction strength, water flow, and cleaning mode accordingly, so you don't have to guess or fiddle with the settings. There's also an indicator on the display showing you the mode that it's currently in, so you're sure not to wet your carpets if you're in the wrong mode. You're able to go from cleaning tile to cleaning a fluffy rug, and the transition is super easy with just a single click and twist, which makes this super convenient if you have both hard and carpeted surfaces in your home, and I love the ability to use the same machine for both tasks. As a household that deals with allergies, this next part is a huge deal for me and my family. My son takes an antihistamine daily and we have air filters throughout the home, but when we vacuum, his allergies do tend to flare up as dust particles are lifted into the air. The mist lock dust control system is a game changer for anyone who deals with dust related allergy problems. The mist lock dust control system mists ultrafine droplets at the air inlet. Those droplets latch onto dry dust particles, turning them into damp clumps, which then get sucked into the waste tank rather than floating back into the air. And because the dust is already wet, it's also easier to deal with when dumping the dustbin. You won't have to worry about a dust cloud like you do with traditional stick vacuums. This is just another great benefit for those who deal with allergies. One of the main functions of the H15 Pro CarpetFlex is its ability to clean carpets, and if you're going to clean carpets, then you're going to need some serious power, and the H15 Pro CarpetFlex definitely delivers with 23,000 Pascal of suction power. That's strong enough to pull debris deep from carpet fibers, lift fine dust, and tackle sticky particles on hard surfaces. I tried this on several different types of carpets. This had no issues cleaning up larger particles like cereal and coffee beans from my living room area rug, but with a super powerful 23,000 Pascal of suction, it was even able to clean up small dust and had no issue sweeping up a pile of all-purpose flour. I even made a massive mess of cereal, oats, coffee, and pet hair, and this was able to vacuum everything up like a champ. This also did a great job cleaning up the carpet in my bedrooms. After you've spent time cleaning, the last thing you want to do is wrestle with a gunky brush roller or wait hours for things to dry. The CarpetFlex handles that for you automagically. With a tap, the thermo tub flushes the hard floor brush with up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water. The heat dissolves grease, sticky residues, oils, and grime. And for the carpet brush, the system does a cold water flush to avoid heat damage to carpet-specific parts and removes lint, fuzz, and residual debris. Once clean, the machine pushes hot air at up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit through the brush, pipes, and filter, ensuring the entire airflow path is dry. You get a 5-minute quick dry for the hard brush or a 20-minute quick dry for the carpet brush, and in my testing, the rollers were completely dry after the drying cycle. Because the drying is sealed and hot, it helps to prevent odors, microbial growth, and ensures the machine is ready for your next session without you needing to air it out or intervene. All of this happens with minimal fuss. You just push a button and the machine cleans and dries itself. No rinsing by hand and no waiting overnight. As someone who has both a poodle and Shih Tzu, we need a machine that can handle pet hair, and this machine delivers. The CarpetFlex uses the Tangle Cut 2.0 resilient scraper, which has 15% denser comb teeth for better hair cutting and anti-wrapping performance. In my test, this was able to handle large amounts of human and pet hair without clogging, and the roller brush was able to remain hair-free as well. What that means for you is less downtime, fewer stops to untangle, fewer snarled rollers, and more continuous cleaning, especially in households with long-haired pets or family members. That's a feature you'll thank every time. The Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex isn't just a vacuum or a mop, it's a unified cleaning system built for real-life homes with mixed floor types, pets, dust sensitivities, and a demand for minimal maintenance. If you're done with juggling multiple tools, choking on dust clouds, wrestling with wet carpets, and fighting tangles, this is definitely a serious contender. Be sure to check out the link in the description to find out more information about the Dreame H15 Pro CarpetFlex and purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.